Established in 1984, HW Machinery is China's leading manufacturer of livestock and poultry slaughter lines equipment, delivering complete abattoir and food processing solutions worldwide. Today, we're inside our poultry equipment production base, showing products ready for shipment to our global clients. These are automatic scalding machines, customized according to each client's slaughter capacity, made of 304 stainless steel, equipped with automatic water level control, temperature regulation, and steam heating, ensuring efficient and uniform scalding performance for poultry processing. Next are chicken plucker machines, each designed for durability, easy adjustment, and long-term performance. The adjustable stainless steel frame features 72 hair removal discs with multi-angle flexibility. Each box includes dual waterproof protection, nylon covers, and aluminum bearings for superior corrosion resistance. Custom bearings with dual internal holes ensure full lubrication and extended service life. We also add protective bearing covers to prevent water damage and minimize downtime. Here, you can see spin chillers waiting for shipment. Each one is built with 3mm thick 304 stainless steel, double motor drive, and high capacity output, designed to ensure fast chilling efficiency and stable meat temperature. Finally, our 200-500 BPH compact poultry processing line, the ideal choice for small and medium-scale poultry plants. For capacities under 1,000 birds per hour, it offers the most efficient and cost-effective solution, widely used across Africa, Southeast Asia, and Latin America. All equipment is fully installed and pre-tested before shipment, saving customers the cost of on-site installation, materials, and commissioning. Just unload, connect, and start a true plug-and-play slaughter line. If your local regulations require clear separation of clean and dirty zones, our engineering team can customize a layout-compliant processing line, ensuring hygiene, efficiency, and compliance with food safety standards. From stunning and bleeding, scalding, defeathering, evisceration, chilling, to further processing, every stage reflects HW Machinery's commitment to modern, humane, and hygienic poultry processing. All key parts are made of high-quality, 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-term reliability. HW Machinery, trusted worldwide since 1984, your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions.